That's the new platten grinder thing. So I'm gonna attach that to that and make a 2x72.
Papa! Oh, no, it's here.
I just 3D printed a knob for a bolt. It gave me an apostrophe. So I was gonna stick that on that. This was gonna slide into that, so I would have it adjustable. And then this would be attached to that so I could remove it. But I just can drill some holes to those already 5/16 holes and do a couple more of those nut and bolt thingies I just made. I could just bolt this to it and then have it set, and then when I want that one off, I take that one off, and then I make another one and put another one on. God, you're smart. Well, I'm trying this left-handed. If your tensioner bolt is too loose, just hit all the threads with a hammer, and then that makes it harder to spin. Science. So now I can adjust that. Before it was just this terrible little Allen key one in here, machine bolt thing, and it was really hard to spin. But now I have this. So I need to cut this, but I don't want to because I got to use a plasma cutter the other day, and now zip discs seem hard. I demand 40 an hour and 800 a day per diem. So got that, all that. Actually pretty square and straight. I'm not a welder. But it's square and straight and stuck together. So I am a welder. All welded up. Look how happy it is. Just need to grind all those welds off flat so I can have a flat edge. There. Just gonna stick that on there like that. And call it a day. Well, yeah.